Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Moto Marine here, giving you a quick tutorial on your GoPro Black Hero 7 setup for a moto vlog. I've been having a lot of issues myself, doing a lot of research, and finally came across all the correct settings that I need to have with my GoPro Hero 7. So we're going to dive right into that right now and show you what I did to get rid of all the static and wind noise that I was having with my GoPro and my videos from the past. Okay guys, so this is my settings here for my GoPro Hero 7 Black. I have running everything at 2.7K, 30 frames per second, and I have everything set at linear. We go in here, you want to turn on your Pro Tune. I've set the EV to negative 0.5. Just saw a video out there, lots of videos that said set that to a negative 0.5. White balance, all that, auto, 100, 1600 high, colors, GoPro. I turned off the raw audio. I saw a video just recently, forget who it was, I apologize, but it said turn it off, really not all that necessary. And then I turned the mics to the auto position. I did have it on wind, and I had it on the stereo setting once before, but I just now set it to the auto position. If we go back here, what you'll also want to do is go here to preferences, connections, and you need to have your wireless connection turned off for your external mic setup for your GoPro. So I turn mine to off, and then if we go back to the preference settings, go down here to your input. Once you plug in your external mic setup, you will get the audio input will light up. What you want to do there, what I did, I set my mic to the standard mic, not standard plus. With my deep voice, it just crackled a little bit more and gave a real muffled sound. So I put it to the standard mic and it works perfectly. Just did a test run a little bit ago, and no issues that I was having with the crackling and the wind and all that type of stuff. So very happy with that. I hope this helps everybody out. So I wanted to give a shout out to everyone who has helped me today. Blockhead, Moto Sarge, John Maxwell just got back to me as well. I definitely appreciate that. Mr. McStash, and couple other people I can't think of off the top of my head, but just want to say thanks to everyone who reached out to me, helped me out, get you the best content that I could possibly bring you to my YouTube channel. So again, thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's going to be popping up right here, and I'll have a couple videos popping up here and here.